I'm going to be working on this 98 Jeep Cherokee. I bought this a few years ago and transfer case put in it. And yeah, so while it's in the shop, I'm going to do a bunch of work to it. First off, I'm going to cut the rockers out and weld in some 2x6 rec tube. So I'll throw in a quick time lapse. I'll show you the driver's side, and then I'll just do the passenger side. So let me get the phone propped up here, get the Jeep leveled out. Okay, so now that all that is cut out, I'm gonna go ahead and go through and grind all of this down to where it's flush with this wall. The 2x6 lays up against this flat. Anything that's protruding, I'm gonna try to get it so it sucks up nice and tight. That way this is a nice, same with this right here. Put you back on time lapse and Alright, so far I've got the rocker cut out and everything is prepped for welding the new one in. Everything's been primed on the inside. Going to paint all of this after I weld the sliders in here in a minute. So the other side is done as well, just like this. Not welded up yet, obviously you can see it right there. But yeah, I will throw it on another time lapse and just get to welding it up. I'll eventually frame stiffener this guy and then throw some supports to this. This isn't leaving the shop anytime soon, so I figure I'll just run the sliders while I've got the time. So I've got the slider tacked up on the driver's side. I'm gonna get the passenger side all tacked up and then work on finish prep, kind of, to where I can weld, like drill some more spot welds and drill to the slider and weld it more to the body essentially. So yeah, this side's looking pretty good. Let me get the camera flipped around and I'll show you. So that was a video on the 98 Cherokee. Sliders are done, welded in. I will still eventually add a tube from the front to the back, just a small step extension essentially, and something to tie the future roll cage into. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more content. And if you haven't seen this video yet, make sure to go watch that one. Thank you.